countermeasures clearly demonstrate zero tolerance against actions that seek to undermine the global multilateral trading ecosystem. These harmful moves have far-reaching consequences for the global economy, and China's countermeasures are both well-prepared and timely.
Oil slid 3% on Monday to its weakest level in 4 years. Brent futures and US West Texas Intermediate crude futures hit their lowest since April 2021. Both benchmarks have lost more than 10% over the last week. It follows a large drop in oil prices Friday as markets worry US-China trade tensions could cause a recession. They fear it could see a fall in demand for crude while OPEC Plus looks to increase supply soon. Oil prices are an important indicator for Russia's financial health. Here's Kremlin spokesperson Dmitry Peskov.
Of course, this is an indicator that is very important for us, very important for filling our budget. And of course, we are following the situation very closely, which is currently extremely turbulent, tense and emotionally overloaded.
Commodity markets, including metals, also fell. Base metal prices in China dropped, with copper on the Shanghai Futures Exchange falling 6%, hitting its lowest in more than 3 months. Gold climbed to a record peak last week, but later dropped amid a wider market sell-off. However, gold prices pared earlier losses Monday as some safe haven demand filtered through and analysts held an upbeat outlook for bullion. Investors are worried about the intensifying trade war between the US and China and its impact on demand for raw materials. Major stock indexes plunged as US President Donald Trump showed no sign of backing away from his sweeping tariff plans. Investors bet the rising risk of recession could see the Federal Reserve cut interest rates as early as May.